Modal verbs are special verbs in English that are used to indicate ability, possibility, permission, obligation, or advice. They are used with the base form of the main verb without to. Other verbs: to write, to talk, to cook, with modal verbs: can, could, may. There is no to at the beginning. Common modal verbs include can, could, may, must, might, shall, should, will, and would. Today we will learn two modal verbs, can and could. Let's start with the modal verb can. I use can to talk about ability. Example, I can swim. That means I know how to swim. I use can to talk about permission. Example, you can play now. That means you are allowed to play. I use can to talk about possibility. Example, it can get very hot in the summer. That means it is possible for the weather to become very hot in summer. I use can to talk about requests. Example, can you help me with my homework? That means a request for assistance or help with homework. I use can to talk about offers. Example, I can help you carry those bags. That means offering help to carry the bags. Now let's see the modal could. Could is the modal can in the past to express past ability, polite requests, or possibility. I use could to talk about past ability. Example, when I was a child, I could ride a bike. That means I used to ride a bike, but now I no longer have the skill. I use could to make a polite request. Example, could you open the window, please? That means you are asking for permission to open the window. I use could to talk about a possibility. Example, it could rain later today, so bring an umbrella. That means there is a chance or possibility that it will rain. I use could to make suggestions. Example, you could try restarting your computer to fix the problem. That means a suggestion or recommendation to solve the problem. I use could for hypothetical situations. Example, if I had more time, I could learn how to play the guitar. That means it would be possible to learn guitar if you have time. I use could to express doubt or uncertainty. Example, she could be at home, but I'm not sure. That means there is a possibility that she is at home, but it's uncertain. It can be very cold in the winter. You can go to the party tonight. Can you help me? Can you play the piano? Could I borrow your book? You bring snacks, drinks, or dessert to the party. When I was a baby, I sleep all day. He cook very well. I speak Chinese since I was younger. He be at school, but I'm not sure.
Hey English learners! Subscribe to my YouTube channel for free lessons and fun activities. And don't forget to check out my blog for tips, activities, transcriptions, PDFs, and more. See you there.